Guys, this is lame. So today ramen, and I'm also sharing Korean phrases. We say boil the water in Korean. We say 물을 끓여요. How to say boil the water in Korean? We say 물을 끓여요. 물을 끓여요. Okay? Hey guys, this is Lane. So today I'm gonna cook Korean ramen, and I'm also sharing Korean phrases while I'm cooking Korean ramen. Okay, because I think that might be helping you guys a lot. So what are you waiting for, guys? Let's go. So first of all, you guys have to boil the water. So do you guys know how to say boil the water in Korean? We say 물을 끓여요. 물을 끓여요. So when you see the bubbles on the surface, then it's time to tear off the plus bag. Okay, so let's tear it off, and then finally seasoning powder. Okay. Why am I laughing? I don't know. Okay, here you go. Yeah, just sprinkle seasoning powder like this. Ooh, okay. So, do you guys know how to say sprinkle seasoning powder in Korean? We say 스프를 뿌려요. 스프를 뿌려요. So, sprinkle is kind of like 뿌려요. And seasoning powder in ramen, we say 라면 스프. So we can say 라면 스프를 뿌려요. Or you can just say like 스프를 뿌려요. And after that, just take out the ramen and put this in here. So put ramen in. So do you guys know how to say put ramen in Korean? We say 라면을 넣어요. 라면을 넣어요. Okay, so what we have to do right away is we have to wait just for a sec. Okay. So now I have to stir with chopsticks. So yeah, do you guys know how to say stir with chopstick in Korean? We say 젓가락으로 저어요. 젓가락으로 저어요. Okay, 됐어. Okay, so I guess it's cooked already. So yeah, let's dig in. So do you guys know how to say let's dig in? We say 먹자. 먹자. Okay, so let me try, okay? Okay, that's it for today. And if you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask me or just leave a comment below. Okay? And I believe that you guys can introduce how to make Korean ramen to your friends. Of course in Korea, right? Okay, so always take care, and I'll be back in a bit, guys. 안녕.